Hey, what's up guys? So you have a Google Pixel 6 or the 6 Pro and you have an issue where you forgot your password. If you got your password, I'm going to show you how to factory reset it. Don't forget, with a factory reset, you will lose all your information, your photos, videos, personal information, and so on. But after the factory reset is complete, you have to start back to the initial startup as if you bought this brand new and took it out of the box. And you got to set up your Wi-Fi, your new password, so on and so on, okay? So here, let's pretend I forgot my password here. It's not working, okay? So first thing you got to do is go ahead and turn off your phone. So we can just go ahead and, go ahead and turn the phone off. You can slide down like that, tap on the power button, and we're going to power off. Turn off totally and wait till it's completely off. Now after it's completely off, the next thing we want to do is this. What we want to do is press and hold the power button and then press and hold the down button and hold them both together until we get something on the screen. Okay, so we'll do it together. Ready? The phone is off here. Press and hold the power button, press and hold the volume down button. Just hold it until the screen pops on and let go of both buttons. And then from here, you use your volume rockers, volume up or volume down, and you can go ahead and move, okay? So what you want to do is you want to move to where it says recovery mode. To proceed, tap on the power button. Okay, now give it 1 second here. Now there's a dead Android guy on here with a no command. Now next thing we got to do is this. Press and hold the power button. As you're holding the power button, tap the volume up once. We'll do it together. Ready? Press and hold power button, volume up, tap once. Just like that. And now that we're here in the Android recovery menu, now what we want to do is you can use the volume rockers to move up or down. What you want to do is move down to where it says wipe data / factory reset. Don't forget, this is going to reset everything out of the phone here, okay? So if you want to proceed, tap on the power button right there. And this red message here says this cannot be undone. Basically, once we do this, we can't go back, okay? So if you want to proceed with the factory reset, use the volume rockers, go down to highlight factory data reset, and then tap on the power button right there, and then give it 1 second here. It says wipe data complete, and it highlights automatically reboot system now is what we want. Go ahead and tap on the power button right there, and this whole process will probably take less than 2 minutes, so just be patient here. Let it boot back up. And voila, we're at the very beginning here. We have to set the process again, pretty much as if we bought this brand new. We can actually even sell the phone now, or you can go ahead and just start off with a new factory reset with a clean slate. Okay, so pretty simple, pretty much as if we just bought it brand new and took it out of the box. All right, good luck guys.